Shark-Ion W1 cord-free handheld vacuum combines portability with surprising power and also comes with a number of accessories designed to handle all your cleaning needs. Attach the multi-surface pet tool to remove pet hair from upholstery and other delicate surfaces. It can also pick up larger messes quickly and easily. Attach the duster crevice tool to clean hard-to-reach places, including tight corners, high ceilings, under appliances, and along baseboards. The mattress tool is designed to help clean mattresses and upholstery. Attach the scrubbing brush to pick up debris and safely scrub carpets and floor mats. Attach the soft dusting brush to gently remove dust from surfaces like shelves, baseboards, window frames, and more.
Introducing the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, engineered for pet parents by pet parents. With ordinary vacuums, cleaning is a two-step process. After you clean your house, you still have to clean out the hair that's stuck in the vacuum. But the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser has an innovative tangle-free brush roll and a unique cyclonic spooling system that traps hair in the bottom of the tank for a hands-free empty. And the large capacity tank means fewer trips to the trash. Powerful suction technology maximizes pickup from edge to edge. You can switch between carpet and hard surfaces with a touch of a button and easily swivel around furniture and corners to maximize cleaning and convenience. And only Bissell has the Smart Seal allergen system with a Febreze pet odor eliminator filter to help trap dander and allergens and eliminate pet odors while it freshens your home. Specialized tools are easy to access. And with our quick release wand, you get 360-degree cleaning and a long reach to help you clean everywhere pet hair hides. The Pet Turbo Eraser tool removes embedded pet hair and helps prevent hair wrap when vacuuming stairs and upholstery. And our crevice tool lights up to help you uncover hidden dirt and pet hair for a more thorough clean. Pet parents love this attachment. Order yours today, and you'll also get this Pet Hair Eraser cordless hand vac. You'll want to use this handy tool all over the house to quickly pick up small messes between regular cleanings. It's powerful, convenient, and comfortable to use with a detachable motorized brush to capture more embedded dirt and pet hair and provide a deeper clean.
Cereal playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home a BLACK+DECKER cordless hand vacuum. Portable and affordable at your favorite stores from BLACK+DECKER.
There will be messes. There will be parties. There will be pet hair. And the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum will be there to clean it up. Our 2-in-1 cordless easily goes from a stick to a handheld and helps you power through your cleaning with strong suction. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum, where portable meets affordable. Available at your favorite stores.